Unfortunately, I wasn't able to attend because we had Cemetery Sunday in Drumsurn, and I sort of felt I needed to be there because it's probably one of the reasons why Road Victim Support Northern Ireland Donegal is there. Is I lost Keelan 12 years ago, and in the aftermath of losing him, there was really no proper support services in Northern Ireland, and I was in my final year of becoming a counsellor, and through that I decided that I would try and help other people who may find themselves in a situation benign. I have supported many people over the last 8 to 9 years who unfortunately lost somebody in a road traffic collision, and I'm even prouder to say that especially over the last 3 or 4 years, but especially over the last 4 or 5 months, Keria, my sister, has come on board and has been so amazing. Marie O'Brien is here and her husband Rusty, because they too lost their daughter in a road traffic collision on the A5. And we work tirelessly to make change, to raise awareness of, I suppose, all our actions on the roads, but also to find support for anybody who may need it. And that support could be coming to a support meeting, which we hold down in Cookstown and also in Letterkenny. It could be coming online to a meeting. It could be meeting up with somebody, a mother, a father, a brother or sister, a cousin who again, unfortunately, has lost somebody. And just we know that there's power in bringing people together, and even just look at this room today, even bringing all of you together, look at the power and the change that we're hoping to make. So Road Victim Support Northern Ireland Donegal wants to thank every single one of you for supporting us today with this first of, I hope, many coastal cruises, and a real credit to all of you for coming in today. And I do want to pass my over to my sister Keria, because I'm sure you'll all agree, Keria works day and night, sends emails at 3 a.m. in the morning, believe it or not, when she can't sleep. And she is the backbone of this organisation, so I want to give credit where it's due. And please join with me a big round of applause for Keria.
Thank you all so much. I really appreciate it. I just wanted to thank Ellis, because I reached out to him. Greg is part of the Northern Ireland Vauxhall Owners Club, and Ellis does great things. Even though it's not here today, it didn't make it today, but it'll definitely be on the road for next year. And so I just wanted to thank Ellis for all your help, because he's the man to go to. I went, listen, this is an idea. What's your thoughts? No bother. We'll do this. We'll do this. We'll do this, and it just all came together. So thank you, Ellis. Really appreciate it. And another big shout out I want to give is to the Holder Flat team. Again, thank you so much. It means so much to me personally, as a wee cruiser girl myself from no age, to come up through the ranks, and especially now being involved with this organisation. It means so much to me. We all love cars, we all are part of our car history, so we are, and we do love a wee cruise, but it's also then highlighting that we can do it in a safe manner as well. And also, coming along today, you'll have no idea how this will help and impact other communities and families, so you won't. So I want to thank you so much. They have given their time freely for us, which is huge. These boys are from Belfast and Ballymena, and they say it's a hobby, but it's a pure profession. I don't care what anybody says, their skills is amazing. So again, I just want to thank you boys so much. Really appreciate it. And lastly, I just want to thank you, the people that came to support, both young and older cruiser people. And I suppose for me, this lies really closely is because we got involved with this with Louise and Keelan, but also when then with that comes up the ranks of our other nieces and nephews whenever they start to drive, and one of them being my son, and it was just, I'm constantly battling into him going about driving safe. And with that then, his poor friends have to listen to that then in the aftermath of it, and they're also very generous, so they are, and they listen to what I say, and you can actually see them taking it in. So again, it's just about having those open conversations with them, and even like to be here and turning up at probably some people would think, oh geez, really, I'm going to support that, but just for them turning up today, I really, really do appreciate it, boys. I really do. And here, they're all wee students, and they've all kicked in so much money. So honestly, thank you so much. And thank you for everybody who supported, and all our donations for the raffle as well. Donegal Charlie's, as always, are a big support. Cameron works in there part-time, and they have donated to the raffle. Ellis, again, with the Northern Ireland Vauxhall group, has donated into the raffle. And Mr. Logan, though he doesn't know it, but it came out of his wallet, donated into the raffle then as well. So thank you so much.